One thing we are finding out with the state vaccine mandate is that every state agency is dealing with it a bit differently. Some fire departments across the state are losing a handful of employees while others are losing none.
So the city of Spokane right now is preparing to lose 38 firefighters and claim that the number is too high to accommodate the unvaccinated. However, KREM 2's Amanda Rowley looked into solutions that other departments are using statewide.
Monday could be the last day of work for dozens of firefighters in the city of Spokane. Spokesperson Brian Coddington explained to me on Tuesday the city cannot make accommodations like those in Spokane Valley due to the high volume of exemption requests. But I found another Washington city with a similar volume of requests, and it's not losing a single firefighter.
It turns out the city of Tacoma's fire department has a similar workforce to Spokane. Out of its 328 fire personnel who fall under the state's mandate, it has 58 who are approved for exemption. Spokane has 300 fire personnel with 38 who are exempt. Come Monday, Tacoma Fire Department will remain intact, and it can accommodate its firefighters beyond the options Spokane is offering. Exempt fire personnel will remain in their assigned positions. They'll receive daily health screenings, must practice social distancing, use PPE on all calls, and must wear a mask at all times. If the city of Tacoma does in fact have similar volume of requests as Spokane and can still accommodate its firefighters, why can't the city of Spokane do the same?
As we've looked at cost, as we've looked at availability and volume of testing, and all those different factors combined with the data that showed 25,000 hours lost already to the pandemic, just on quarantine alone, and another 2,300 hours or so lost to actual on-the-job contraction of COVID. All those things taken in totality made it that it was not the right decision to be able to accommodate on the job.
Does the city of Spokane have the resources to do as Tacoma or Spokane Valley has done to accommodate firefighters as far as funding?
We'd have to find $300,000 to $1 million annually to fund the PPE. Those were the projections. So those are things and choices you have to make. We have a very tight budget year.
It takes about 3.5 months for firefighters to complete training and begin working at a Spokane City fire station. The upcoming recruit school is not expected to start until January at the earliest. Coddington says while this could translate into some overtime, the city is not concerned.
Come Tuesday, Wednesday next week, 911 calls will still be answered. The Spokane Fire Department will be there. They will answer the call for help and they will provide the service that's needed.
For most of Spokane's 38 exempt firefighters, their last shift will be Sunday into Monday morning. Now, according to Governor Inslee's proclamation, if you are still working or practicing health care at 12:01 a.m. on Tuesday, you are violating that mandate. Reporting in downtown Spokane, Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.